Hey loves, welcome back to ItsClassyJazzy channel. Today I'll be having another makeup tutorial. It's actually not going to be my thought of the makeup tutorial. It's going to be Msalliyahjay. And since I got the crayon case box, why not do the crayon case makeup with Msalliyahjay? And I was like, that would be bomb. I even put in my ponytail like her. I got on like a blue shirt. I felt like I should use this background because I think it'll work best for the makeup, and like I'm hoping I'm gonna do well. I'm having high expectations that I'm gonna do well, but I really don't know at this point because one, I've never used this before. This is gonna be my very first time using it, and two, I mean, I don't know. Let's just see. Okay, let's get to it. She said she's gonna put on her concealer on her eyes. Oh, let me get my mirror.
To set my eyeshadow base.
I know Aaliyah, she uses tape on her eyes, but I actually don't have any tape. After she set it with her setting powder, she put yellow on her crease from what I was looking at.
So now I'm going to go into green. I am going to use this in my lower crease.
I am currently shook right now because I applied the green eyeshadow just once and it's already this pigmented. Oh, my favorite part. My favorite part is cutting the crease. Here we go. So the next thing she did, she put pink on her inner corner. So now we're gonna put pink on our inner corner. Okay, so literally right after she said applying the pink, she applied magenta. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm like, hey, holla, water, like why isn't mine popping up as bright? So I see she put it like right in the inner corner, and then she like lined it.
I'm actually putting magenta.
So that's what I'm
putting
gonna
magenta
do.
on the lower half of my lid, and then I'm gonna.
Okay, she put dark purple. My camera stopped on me, but I got the purple, and I put that on my outer.
And put this on the outer half.
On the outer half. I'm hoping it's looking like Aaliyah's. I'm hoping when I get done it's gonna look like hers. Hoping. She went in with baby blue, and she put that on the upper half.
Put this right up in there. Well, I know it looks a little crazy right now.
Okay.
But once I like blend the colors together, it'll look nice. Ooh, this really goes with my
I think
background.
I'm
Okay,
getting
so
it to
now
look like hers.
I'm gonna take this little brush like this, and I'm gonna just basically blend all these colors together. So I'm basically gonna take the pink.
And now she's talking about blending it all in. So
perfect.
let's see how this is gonna look.
I'm gonna take that blue and basically go back over it and blend everything out.
Alrighty, so Aaliyah said we're gonna put this NYX Vivid Brights in our crease to darken up the look a bit.
This is
So
the
let's
NYX
see how
Vivid
this
Brights,
looks.
and this is in the color Sapphire. I'm going to put this in my crease. Yes, I love this. Oh my god.
Okay, so I think it's somewhat looking like hers. I mean, there's no turning back now, but I just feel like her blue is more blended, and how mine is looking, it's not like how hers is looking. I don't know, hers look more smooth. I don't know. But she put on her primer.
Hydrating. I'm going to put some on my face and rub that in. To apply my foundation, I'm going to use this one, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the Dewy Smooth. I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my nose, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. So let's get to blending. But I'm gonna use the Airspun powder. Anyways, I'm gonna do my black gel liner, and I am going to bronze up my face. I am going to be using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer.
Now I'm going in with my blush. It's not the same blush she used, but I got a color that's similar. And I'll be applying this red underneath my lash line.
Okay. So the crayon case has highlighters, and I'm super.
Whoa there. So I see she already talking about highlighters, and I can tell that her waterline, she used black eyeliner for that, and she put mascara on her bottom lashes. So before we end up going to the highlighter, let's do that, because I want to know this look to T, guys. I'm trying to do how she do it. Okay. Alright, so I believe she used the white on her inner corners. And she kinda swiped it across right here also. Since I don't have her lipstick, I'm gonna use my lighter color concealer, dab it on my lips. No, dab.
Look at my down. Look at my down.
And then I'm gonna get my brown lip liner, and I believe this is the same one that she used. And I'm just gonna line my lips with it. But I don't have her lip gloss that she used, so I got my lip gloss, and I feel like it's almost just about its equivalent. Alrighty loves, what do you think of this makeup look? Did I nail it? Yay or nay? I think it looks pretty good. I'm not going to lie. Does it look exactly like hers? I don't think it looked exactly like hers, but I think it looked very similar. I think the eye makeup, I just cannot do that blue because my blue is darker than her blue, and it's just like her cut crease look a little bit different. But I feel like I nailed it with the colors on the under eye and the inner corner. Like I nailed the stuff that I knew that she didn't film, or she made a mistake and not filmed it and put it in there, like such as, you know, what I did. I'm kind of proud of myself for that. But please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you all loved it and enjoyed it, because if you did, you might as well share this video to your neighbor, your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, the annoying dog that be running across the street, the stray cat. Yeah, just tell everybody, the mailman, the mailwoman, grandma, your granny, your cousins. Show everybody this video, because you know what we are. Look, you already know. Msalliyahjay already know. Yes, hunty, we are
Lit, okay?
By the way, since it was my first time using this lovely palette, I think this palette is amazing, very pigmented, and I think it's worth your money. I'm gonna actually have this palette and put it in the description box, so you might want to know where I got this. Got it in the description box. And if you want to see Msalliyahjay's video, her video will be in the description box down below. If you enjoyed this look, it will be cool if you can tag her on Instagram or maybe Twitter, you know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, homegirl about to wrap it up because she's tired. I started filming this video at around 12 or 1 a.m. and it is currently 7 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, honey child, it's time for me to get my beauty rest. Well, goodness gracious, love, it's time for me to go. Alright, I just want you guys to know that I love you all. If you guys haven't known, I mean, like, what's wrong with you? Because you know I love you. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, loves.